Do you know why hot things do not stay hot all the time? Or why an ice cube melts? Or what are spontaneous reactions? Let's understand them first. Spontaneous reactions are the reactions which do not need any external energy to continue themselves. For example, if I put ink in water, then after some time it will mix on its own in water. At first, ink particles will be organized in a specific area, but after some time they tend to get disorganized or random and mix throughout water. But why do they tend to get random or disorganized? Well, the answer is simple. Being disorganized or random takes less energy than being organized. For example, if I have two gases in the same chamber, then I would require much more energy to separate them than to let them just mix on their own. And that is why most natural processes are spontaneous or disorganized. The universe tends to be more random or more disordered. And the measure of this randomness or disorder in the system is what we call entropy. In other words, it is the waste energy which cannot be utilized to do a particular work. Let's understand entropy through probability. Suppose you go to market to buy 3 kg mangoes, and assuming that the lowest weight of a mango can be 1 kg and weights are in the form of 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg and so on, there can be 3 ways in which you can buy 3 kg mangoes. First, you can buy 3 mangoes of 1 kg each. Second, you can buy 1 mango of 2 kg and another of 1 kg. Third, you can buy 1 mango of 3 kg. Each of these 3 ways of buying mangoes are called microstates. If we count the number of mangoes in total microstates, then it will be equal to 6 mangoes. If we calculate the probability of buying 1 kg mangoes out of 6 mangoes, then it will be equal to 66.66%. And the probability of buying 3 and 2 kg mangoes will be 0.16% only, which clearly states that there is a higher chance of 66.66% that you will buy mangoes in disordered form of more than 1 mango rather than buying in organized form of 1 mango of 3 kg. Now, if we replace mangoes with particles and kg with energy E, we can clearly see that energy tends to spread among particles, with only 0.16% chance of energy to be concentrated, stating that systems are more likely to have each particle having at least some amount of energy rather than to concentrate it in a few particles. And that is why things or energy tend to be disorganized or randomly spread. As energy tends to spread, cold objects get hotter when kept near hot objects. We calculated the 0.16% of probability of energy being concentrated for a system of only 6 particles or mangoes. And we ourselves are made up of quintillions of particles, and for them the probability of being concentrated is 0.000 something. The entropy or randomness of the universe is always increasing, and we do not know what can come out of this randomness, but what we do know is we can go explore out there and know it. So next time when mom says, "Why is your room so disordered?" just say, "It's entropy."